Nvidia stock has been replaced by Tesla. The Tesla stock have reclaimed their long-standing title as Korean favorite foreign stock earlier this month, a position temporarily lost to Nvidia in May month. According to Korea Securities Depository, the total holding of Tesla stock by Korean investor amounted to about $14 billion as of Thursday, topping the chart of local investor aggregate foreign stock holding. Nvidia rise in South Korea stock market came after Elon Musk announced a potential collaboration between chip company and XAI. 4 years ago in 2020, Tesla stock held the top spot in South Korea Stock Exchange after dethroning Amazon. In a latest agreement with Tesla, South Korean battery supplier LG Energy Solution is preparing to start 4680 production in the country. Tesla recently posted 2 new jobs opening in the country: senior battery process engineer who would rework and remanufacture modules and battery packs.